Okay. At magandang araw muli at tayong papatuloy sa ating pag-aaral sa ating subject na Mathematics 8 at akong muli ang inyong guro po, si Teacher Yu. At tayo po nasa week 3 at ang ating topic po ay operations on rational algebraic or algebraic expressions. Okay, so bago tayo tumuloy sa ating lesson, let us have our review about the rational expression, the definition itself. At the same time, ay ang examples of the rational expressions. Okay, so it means that ito po yung ating natalakay na noon, no, yung ating nakaraang lesson, and then at the same time the formula, okay, of the rational expression. So it is, sabi nga itong rational ay the same sa fraction, at the same time ay tinatawag ko na division. Okay, so ito po ang mga examples na ito po yung ating nasagot na last time. Remember sa division or rational, the denominator is not 0. Okay, must not be 0. Okay, so another example, yan, this is about the rational numbers only. No? Rational numbers, it is not the expression. Okay. So ito yung rules how to uh, apply now o how to answer our topic, no, the rational algebraic expression. So the same naman yung rules na yan sa addition and subtracting with like denominator sa fraction. Pareho lang yan. So this is the numerators and this is the denominators. So kapag the same yung denominators, adding, no, and subtracting, ay just proceed. Tuloy-muli ka na agad sa operations. So pagpa-plus mo lang, din copy the denominators, and then minus mo lang din denominators. So ito karagdagan lang din, pareho lang din naman yan. Okay. So this is the example. Okay, let us discuss this. So nakikita nyo the same denominators, that's why nag-plus na lang siya agad, then copy the denominators. So for now we have 3 plus 2 equals 5/4. So this is improper fraction, improper. So you can make a mixed number. Pwede nyo gawin na mixed number. Okay, how to do that? By dividing the number by 4. So we have 5 divided by 4 equals 1. No? And then we have the remainder, your numerator. So 1/4. So this is the equivalent to mixed number. So lalo pag malaki, gawin nyo po na mixed number yung improper. Yan po ang katumbas niyan. And then the mixed number, this is how to make the improper. So remember the fractions, we have 3 types of fraction. We have the proper, lowest numerator, o mababa ang numerator niya. Okay. Then mataas yung denominator. Then the improper, mataas yung numerator, and then mababa yung denominator, and then the mixed number, ito yan. So ito naman nagkakapalitan lang. Nagpapalitan silang dalawa. The improper and then mixed number, and the mixed number to improper. Tandaan yung fractions. So this time we have the subtraction, the same denominators, that's why proceed now in operations. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, simple. Lowest term agad. Tandaan din ha, dapat ang inyong sagot sa fraction ay nasa lowest term palagi, o the rational expression. Okay. So ito kasi rational numbers lang o fraction itself kasi wala tayong mga letters. But yung ating topic about the rational algebraic expression, may mga letters yan. Kaya nga, algebraic expression. So, kapag different denominators naman, ang unang gagawin nyo ay yung different denominators, gagawin nyo pong the same denominators. Gagawin nyo po ha. So, addition and subtraction, pareho yan. Kapag nagawa mo ng the same denominator, pwede mo na siyang i-add diretso. Paano po ba yan, sir? So, ito, example natin, we have different denominators. We have 5 and 3. So, you are going to get first the LCD. So, find the LCD. So, the LCD is, what is the LCD? To get that, you are going to multiply the two values. That will be your product. So, not always naman na gano'n, na sakto siya, 5 times 3. That is the LCD. Kasi minsan, yung 8 and 6. So, if you're going to multiply the 8 and 6, that will be 48, but that is not the LCD. It will be the DCF. Okay? So, DCF mo yan. So, the LCD of that is 24. Okay? So, titignan niya, hindi not all the time na siya ay parehong ganun, 3 times 5, 15. So, ang basta isipin yung LCD, ano yung least common denominator na pwede ma-divide, no? Ng yung denominator. Okay, so same na siya. That's why we have 15. So, after that, getting the denominator divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. So, that is 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay? Then, so, next, 15 divided by 3, that is 5 times 2, 10. Okay, that is how to do the different denominators in addition. Then, ipa-plus mo lang. 9 plus 10 equals 19 over 15. So, this is improper again. Then, you can write in mixed numbers. So, 1 over 4. 19 divided by 15 equals 1. Remainder of 4. Copy the denominator. Okay. So, the other one, subtraction, we have 2n over 3 minus 3 over 5. So, that is different denominators. So, find again the LCD. Then, after that, what will be the LCD? Say, since this is perfect, no? So, the product of these two values is 15. So, that is the LCD of these two values. So, yan. Kaya din dito. But not all the time, sinasabi ko. Okay, so always think about the LCD. There is common denominator. So, after that, getting the LCD divided by denominator. 15 divided by 3. That is 5 times 2, 10. And then, 15 divided by 5. That is 3 times 2, 9. Okay, so the same. So, parang ginamit siya, binaliktad lang. Ano, nakikita niyo. So, our final answer is 1 over 15, and that is the lowest term, lowest form. Okay, that's now your final answer. Now, we have an example here. So, ito, the same denominators, that's why diretso ka na. So, add ka na agad. So, plus 8 over 8. So, plus 5 is 8. So, yan. And then, simplify. We have 8 divided by 8 is, that is 1, of course. Number 2, different denominators, and then that is subtraction. So, what will you do? Find the LCD. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. So, the product of this, if you are going to multiply, is 8 times 6, that is 48. So, that will be the LCD. That is not. So, ang gagawin mo, what is the LCD? So, isipin mo, ano yung LCD na pwedeng ma-divide ng 8 at 6. So, that will be your, that is 24. So, 24 divided by 8 equals 3 times 5. No, 3 times 5, 15. Then, subtraction. Copy. Kopyahan agad yan. 24 divided by 6 is 4. And times 1. So, it's 4. So, the final answer is 11 over 24. So, there's no other answer aside from here. So, that's the lowest term. So, yun na po ang final answer. So, dito naman, applying the polynomials, addition of polynomials, and subtraction of polynomials. Ayan. So, like terms combined and like terms separate. So, titignan niyo po yung mga terms na kumpareho. Ito may exponent. Although x, sasama mo siya. Hindi. Because unlike terms. Basta remember the rules in polynomials in addition and subtraction. Unlike terms separate. So, ito magkapareho. Pareho din to, pero different signs. So, simplify. That is 8x minus x plus 7. Plus 7. Then, finally, subtract 8 minus 1. That is 1. 1 yan ang kasama yan. Value fan yan. May kasamang 1, but hindi na yan. So, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. X. So, the sign of 8 is positive. Malaki ang 8. That's why positive x plus 7. Lahat ang rules yan ating naaral na. Okay. So, number 4. We have, so, ito lang magkapareho. So, copy the 5x. 5x square. Then minus 6 minus 2. O, negative 6 plus 2. Different signs. So, parang ano lang, yung ordinary. 6 minus 2. That is 4. Then, copy yung sign 6 kasi malaki sa kopya. Copy the larger number. Plus your x. Lagay mo x. That's 4x. Then, minus 5. So, wala naman tayo dyan filling factors. That is the final answer. Okay. Next, proceed na tayo sa ating topic about the rationale of algebraic expression applying the addition. So, ayun, the same ating rules, the same denominators, add mo na agad. Add yung numerator, add the denominator, or copy the denominator rather. And then, if it is common terms, common numbers, simplify. Always simplify. So now, 3 plus 1, 6 over b, 4 over b. And then, it's common by 2, factors of 2, so cancel yung pareha. Then, the remaining is 2 over 3b, that's your final answer. Or, if you are going to directly cancel, no, mental computation, okay. So, isipin mo na yung common yan, that's 2, and then, divisible by 2, so it will become 2, and then 6 by 2, that's 3. Okay, so mental computation, so 3 over 6, 2 over 6, 2 over 3. Okay, so now we have the same denominators, but it is already another problem because this is a perfect square, so there is a factors, no? Okay, there is a factor. Okay, so now let us proceed. So you are going to add the numerators x plus 2 and copy the denominators, but there is another problem. You are going to factorize this. So the factors of the perfect square x squared minus 4 is equal to x plus 2, x minus 2. So this is opposite signs. So that's a perfect square. And if you want to check that by full method, you can get this expression. Okay. So, natuto natin lahat yan nung nakaraang lesson na naaral natin yan. So, the final answer is 1 over x minus 2. Yan. Okay. So, kinakancel na yung pareho na. That's why, ang maiwanan dito, kapag nawala yan, always meron tayong isang value na maiwan. That is value of 1. Okay. So, yan. At kapag meron naman tayong 2, ay equal din dyan sa fraction, meron siyang 2 over 1. Ayan. Ganun. Yan ang laging natandaan nyo sa fraction. Meron tayong talaga denominator na 1. At saka, kapag na-cancel na, may maiwan tayong isa na numerator. Tandaan nyo mga ganung way. So, in this time, the same denominator, para yung ginamit kanina, the same ito. Then, the problem is ito lang. So, negative 2x plus 1, then minus, then ito magkasama. Magkatabi naman siya. Remember the rules kapag magkasama yung dalawang signs, that is multiplication. Multiplication of signs. So, the first thing to do is kopyahin tong denominators. Kopyahin. Okay? So, ito na yan. Ito maging problema natin. Ang gagawin dyan, yung sign mo ng ating alisin. So, ito, walang problema. Kopyahin na yun. Then, the sign is another problem. So, negative times negative, that is positive 3x. Then, negative times negative 1, that is positive 1. So, ayan. That is how to change the sign. Remember the rule in multiplication. Same sign, always positive. Positive times positive, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Okay. But in different signs, positive times negative, okay, always negative. Negative is negative, that is always multiplication, always negative. The same in division. Okay, positive divided by positive, negative divided by negative, positive. Positive divided by negative, negative. Negative divided by positive, negative. So, para ang rules nyo. Kaya huwag kalimutan. So, dito, ay simplify natin x plus 2 na ang nakalabasan because like times combine and like times separate by addition and subtraction rules. So now simplify, we have only x plus 2 x squared minus 4. But this time, get the factors of x squared minus 4. The factors are x plus 2 x minus 2. Then the same terms cancelled out. So naiwan na lang ay 1 na lang. So that is 1 over x minus 2. Pareho ang sagot nila. Yung na una nating example. Pareho ang sagot na ito. Marami siyang tanong pero ang sagot niya pareho lang din. So ganun talaga. No? Kunting tanong lang, madali na tanong, maliit na tanong, napakadaming solusyon. Pagdating mo sa dulo, ay ito lang sagot. Then, minsan, zero na. Okay, so let us have another example. We have different denominators. Addition. So, ayan. So, find the sum of, okay. So, inuna yung 3 over m plus 4 plus 2m, m minus 1. So, this time, what will be your LCD? Because it's different denominators. So, just combine only. That will be your LCD. Ito na yung LCD mo. So, after that, write your LCD. M plus 4. M minus 1. So, divide by the denominator. M plus 4. M minus 1 divide by M plus 4. So, cancel na yun. Cancel yun. Mawala. Maiwan mo ay M minus 1. So, 3 multiply by M minus 1. Okay, next. Ito naman, M plus 4, M minus 1 divided by M minus 1. So, may iwan na lang ay M plus 4. Under sign, copy. Kopya na agad yung sign. Plus, may iwan na lang M plus 4. So, 2M, kopyahin yun. Multiply by M plus 4. Then, again, proceed now to simplify the value. Simplifying now the value. Okay. So, distribute natin yan. We have 3m. Kopya mo na agad. M plus 4. M minus 1. Then, simplify tayo. Distribute. Minus 3. Then, plus 2m times m. So, that will be m squared. 2m squared. Then, 2m plus 4, that will be plus 8m. Okay. Now, nakasimplify na tayo. And, the next is addition subtraction. Simplify po ulit. So, hanapin mo yung like terms. Like terms, ito. So, ito, 2m squared. 2m squared. And then, ayan. 2m squared. So, that is okay. That is 11m. 11m. And then, minus 3. Okay. So, tama tayo ng 3m plus 8m. That is 11m. And then, m plus 4. Your denominator. M is m plus 4. Okay. So, ayan. Wala naman tayong pwede i-cancel na dyan. That is the lowest term. Okay, so check na lang yung mga sign kasi baka may problema sa sign. Nakalimutan tayo kung tama. Okay. So, 3m. Ito may 1 negative. Okay. So far, okay naman yung ating sign. Tama tayo. Okay. Ayun. Now is let us proceed now sa multiplication. Sa rules sa multiplication,